Watch number 686, effective until midnight Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Erie, Schuylkill, and York. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 686 has been issued until midnight Friday for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Erie, Schuylkill, and York. Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, western York County in south central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, eastern Julietta County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, eastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, western Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Millersburg to Newport to near Duncannon to Pine Grove Furnace to near Mont Alto, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, York, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Hanover, Hershey, Colonial Park, Michaelstown, Waynesboro, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Gettysburg, Shamokin, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Parkville, Lingelstown, and Enola. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 222 to 259, Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 4, Interstate 81 between mile markers 42 and 102, and from mile markers 104 to 112, Interstate 83 from mile markers 21 to 50, Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for south central and central Pennsylvania. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fountain Springs to near Pine Grove to Harper Tavern to Royalton to near Lake Heritage, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Harrisburg, York, Lebanon, Lower Allen, Hanover, Pottsville, Hershey, Colonial Park, Michaelstown, Elizabethtown, Columbia, Progress, Lidditz, Middletown, Millersville, Mount Joy, New Cumberland, and Tamaqua. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for south central and central Pennsylvania. A tornado watch remains in effect for the Warren area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, Schuylkill, and York. Pennsylvania, southern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, eastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, western Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 11:45 p.m. At 8:47 p.m., local law enforcement reported heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. I-83 northbound is closed from 283 to Union Deposit Road due to flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Harrisburg, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Hanover, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Gettysburg, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Parkville, Linglestown, Enola, Steelton, Anvil, Lemoyne, and Huntingtown. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Lebanon, and York.